Welcome to our channel where we guide you through disputing bank fees with Wells Fargo or Chase. So you get your money back smoothly. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a clear step-by-step process to dispute an unwanted bank fee with Wells Fargo or Chase. First, gather all relevant information about the fee, including the date, amount, and reasons shown on your statement. Next, review your account activity and transactions carefully to make sure the charge is inaccurate or unapproved. Then contact your bank either by phone or secure message through their online banking system. Once connected, clearly explain your situation, mention the details of the fee, and why you believe it is incorrect. If you have supporting documents like emails or receipts, be ready to provide those. The bank representative will usually review your case and may initiate a dispute or investigation. They often provide you with a case number for reference during follow-up. Next, keep track of all communication details and deadlines given by the bank while waiting for resolution. If the initial response isn't satisfactory, consider escalating the issue to a supervisor or submitting a formal written complaint via email or postal mail. If necessary, you can also file a dispute through the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau or your state's banking regulator. Throughout the process, remain polite, professional, and persistent. Remember, many fees can be waived if you explain you are a loyal customer or if this was a genuine mistake. By following these precise steps, you increase your chances of successfully reversing unjust bank charges. We hope this guide empowers you to take control of your finances without stress and reclaim fees you shouldn't be paying. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more practical financial tips.